Here we have a 2006 111R. Spotlights, obviously alloy wheels. It's got a digital dashboard, touring pack including the pro back seats, Kenwood radio CD, air conditioning. You can see the stack system there. Total mileage is 42,500. Previously sold by us. The LTS number plate is staying with the car. Paintwork is in extremely good condition. A couple of little minor stone chips as you'd expect, but otherwise very good. And as you can see, the tyres have loads of tread on them. Obviously I'm saving the best bit till a bit later, but let me just see the car currently. So very good comprehensive service history, windscreen's all fine, no chips there, and the Kenwood stereo and full leather interior. Obviously being a 111R, it has the 6-speed gearbox, and this little beauty also has the Lotus Supercharger upgrade, which is about £6,000 upgrade that we did here several years ago. Brings the brake horsepower up to 220 and completely transforms the car from the standard 189. Viewing strongly recommended and available for Allen White Sports Cars. 01234 750 205. Thank you for viewing.